Hello, I'm Dani from Bulgaria. I'm married and have two beautiful daughters. I'm born in a nice mountain town called Razlog. I love the mountain and when I have the opportunity spend time in nature. I also like the sea and when I'm close to it I feel special connection. I'm a busy person who is open to change and like contact with new people. So the idea to spend 6 months working on the island I like very much. I have rich experience in the tourism. I work for a hotel chain then 10 years. During this period I work as F&B manager, room division manager and deputy general manager. Since the beginning of 2008 I am logistic director of this chain. Given my rich experience and my connection with nature, I think that I am the right person for this position. Bye.